Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. When you see the BK15, it can only mean one thing. That piece of garlic is in for it. No, we broke out the BK15. We're once again going to do some New York strips today. I'm going to be mixing up some little chopped garlic and butter. Speaking of butter, I have got the Land O'Lakes salted butter quarter sticks. I have got the box with the Indian. They're not in the stores right now. Anybody want this box? Drop me a like. We'll or a comment down there. We may work out something. I will save this box in pristine condition. Could be a collector's item since they have got, I'm not going into all this, but they've took the Indian off the dadgum box. Anyway, it's an Indian as a symbol for this brand, Land O'Lakes. For the love of God, people. Anyway, we'll get into that on another video. We're going to be doing a little trimming on these steaks. Like I said, select New York strip. Thick cut. We'll trim those up. I don't like as much. Yes, I've got the blue gloves on because my hands are rough, as I stated in another video. So put these on, wash them up, treat them just like they were my hands, and I feel it's a little more, I don't know, sanitary, whatever. We're going to be trimming some of this off. I like to leave a little for flavor, but take some of that off there. Once we get that on, we're going to get it over here and season it. We're going to dice up the garlic, put it in the little cast iron skillet, a quarter stick of butter. Let's see, what else? Just a little bit of pepper, nothing special there. Set it on the top rack of the grill while these are grilling. Anyway, let's go ahead and get these steaks opened up and see what they look like. But just before we do that, we got the taters in the water bath, so we're going to get those watered. We're going to get those washed off, get them wrapped in a paper towel, drop them in the microwave for about 7 minutes. Then we're going to wrap those in foil, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of butter. Then we're going to pop those in the oven for roughly an hour while we're prepping the steaks and all. So let's go ahead, first things first, and get the taters prepped. Once again, nope, yep, microwave's dirty. Shouldn't have showed this shot. Anyway, once again, nothing here. Wash taters, wrap them in paper towel. Shut the microwave because it's dirty. Should not have showed that. 700 and start. Leave them alone. Come back in a few minutes. Let's get to the steaks. Alright, there it is. I got started trimming, and the longer I went, the more I trimmed off. I might have trimmed off a little too much to suit some of you all, but I like a cleaner piece of meat. It's still got plenty in there. It'll grill up real good. We're going to get this on a plate and get some of the seasoning on it. Let's see. Let me go ahead and get it out. All I use is Cosmos Q SPG rub. Nice and simple. Salt, pepper, garlic. And like I said, I'll get this right here melted down, diced and melted down, and baste a little bit of that on there as it's grilling. Let me go ahead and get these on a plate. We're going to get them doctored up. Those taters like about 3 seconds. We're going to go ahead and get them in foil. I'll show you what that looks like right quick. Quick shot of the tater. I poked holes in the tater after it come out of the microwave. It was in there 7 minutes. Poked holes in the tater, wrapped it in, or rubbed it down with olive oil, sprinkled it with butter. Now I'm setting this, or sprinkled it with butter. How about sprinkle it with pepper? Sprinkle it with pepper, and then we're going to put this butter on top of it. Wrap it all up in the aluminum foil and bake it for approximately 1 hour. We'll call it 5:30 to 6:30. During the meantime, we'll get these steaks, which I haven't touched yet, other than trimming them. We'll get them seasoned up, and we're going to get those sitting out here and just let them get up to room temperature and let the seasoning soak in, and we'll get them on the grill. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get a layer of this seasoning, get it on the plate here, and get a layer of it down so when I lay the steaks on, it gets part of the backside. Be generous with it. We want to put plenty. Well, depending on your taste. Let's go ahead and get these down. There's one. Get all these down on here. We'll get rid of these trimmings here in a minute. Alright. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and get plenty on this side. Then we'll turn them over. Make sure we get the edges. I guess that one's mine. I got a little more on it and I did the rest of them. Turn them over. Here again, these are going to stay here a while and get on up to room temperature. They was took out of the fridge a while ago. little bit on this side, or a lot. All right, it's about enough of that. Once again, here's what we got. I'll put a link down in the description to his webpage, his channel, Cosmos Q Dry SPG Rub. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get some more of this other loose that we got over here to the side. Right over here, we're gonna get some of that and put up on here and set these aside. Clean all this up and get rid of it, clean the board up, and we'll get to grilling here in just a few minutes. Well, the time has come. The little piece of garlic must be diced. Oh, it gets more dramatic than this, folks. I just can't film it while I do it. You get the picture. We're going to dice this garlic up real small. Put it in here with that butter and some salt. Like I said, it's nothing secret. Let it sit in the grill. I'll show you when we get out there and and then I'll baste these steaks with it as they go. So anyway, we'll get that going here and I'll be right back with the video. And there it is, folks, the Weber Spirit Grill as I store it. They got this for me. I got a cover for it. Keep it all protected and covered up when I've got it stored in my garage. There's the John Deere. There's the 68. We'll get it running by maybe 2068. But anyway, there's where I store the grill. The garage is a little crowded. We're building a outside swing for my wife. There's the swing. Here's the uprights and stuff. May try to assemble that tomorrow. Don't know if I'll do any video on it. You never can have too much garage space, folks. Never can have too much garage space. There it is, and I'll be darned if that don't need clean too. Anyway, there's the grill. Let me go ahead and get it opened up here. There it is. But before we go any further, 2 quick notes before I get to comments. 1, no, I'm not going to grill inside. I will open the garage door and roll it outside. 2, I have more than 1 pair of gloves. Got that comment in the video. These are not the gloves I handle the meat with, even though I wash my hands during. These are a different pair of gloves. There'll probably be another pair put on when I actually get out here. Right now I'm out here getting this stuff set up. Grill grates. I'll put a link right up here in the corner somewhere, right about there. I'll throw a link to a Grill Grates review video I did. If you don't have them, never seen them, this is your first time. If this is your first time to the channel, please like, share, subscribe. I'd like to ask you to do that. We do some grilling. We work on these, not necessarily this one, but the antique lawnmowers. Once in a great while, we get to work on the 68. It runs. Tomorrow gets gauges, water temperature, voltmeter. It's ready to fire. Has been fired. We're going to fire it again. Anyway, back to the grill. These grilling grates, check them out. I'm not going to go into detail right now, but look up the video. I'll link it up there like I said, and put a link to the end. These things are awesome. It definitely, this grill came with cast iron grates, which worked wonderful. But I found out about these from a friend watching a bunch of videos, and I put these in here and hit step the game. It changed everything, so check out the video. Well, we're going to wait about 15 more minutes before we push it outside and light it. The taters are on. The steaks are seasoning. We'll be right back. All right, folks, we're out here at the grill. The steaks are right here. They're ready. Let's go ahead and get this thing. It's up to temperature, actually just a little over. There's the grilling grates. Like I said, may need cleaning, may not. Don't know. The pros stay like that. Right here's the mixture. We're going to go ahead and set this up here. This is the garlic and the butter. I have to go get the pepper. I have forgot the pepper. Let's go ahead and get these steaks on here. We'll deal with the pepper here in just a minute. All right. Love these grilling grates. If you haven't tried them, like I said, you need to. I'll put the link in the description. Get these on here, get them mashed down. Really, really easy to put the marks on these things, with these grilling grates. Got that. And, uh-oh, made a mess on the side of my grill. We'll deal with that in a minute. Here they are. We're going to leave these right here. I'm going to run in the house and get a little bit of butter, and we'll come back out. These get about 6 minutes per side. We'll be right back with you. All right, they've been on here. All right, they've been on here about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and get these turned over. We do have the pepper added to the garlic and butter up there. We're not going to turn these over, I'm sorry. turn them this direction. We're going to get some good markings on these things. These grill grates, like I said, I'll leave a link. I know I go on about them all the time. Since I got turned on to these things, they're awesome. A little pricey, well worth it. Uh-oh. Oh, having a little trouble right here I am with this one. Anyway, get it down on there. And mash down. We'll see if we can't go about 3 minutes on that side. Then we'll flip them over, baste them real good, and start checking temperature. We're going to pull these things at about 119 degrees. So there's that. We'll be right back with you. All right. Been long enough. We've been almost 6 minutes on this side. Let's get these things flipped over. Look at there. See there? Look at that. Go ahead and get these babies flipped over. Like I said, we're going for about 119 degrees on pulling these steaks. That one right there I struggle with. Let's go ahead. Get a little bit of this salt, pepper, garlic. Get it all stirred up there. Let's go ahead and drizzle that over across the top of it. Look at that. I've sent my pastor a picture of this when I get it going. We're all the time sending each other pictures of food back and forth. He'll grill at his house and send me a picture, or I'll grill over here and send him a picture. I'll do that. He may show up here in a minute. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get these basted good. Alright. We're going to leave it at that right there for just a little while. We'll come back and check them in a minute. There you are, probably about 4 minutes on this side. Flip them both ways and these things will be ready to eat. Stay tuned. Well, there they are, folks, pink plate and all. They were pulled at 119 to 120 degrees. They were basted with that butter, garlic, and pepper mixture I showed you. I'm going here and eat these things. I'm not going to get a video of that. I hate to do that in front of you, but anyway, just want to show you a quick end result. Nothing spectacular. Trim the fat. These are New York strip cuts. I like them. Some people don't. That's what we eat the most of around here. My wife and my kids like them, so there they are. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, like, share, subscribe. Check out some of my other grilling videos. They're a whole lot alike, but I fix a few different things, fix them a few different ways. Cast iron, I do some in the cast iron in the house. Bigger one than that, of course. But anyway, check out the video, the rest of my videos. I hope you like them. Have a great day. God bless. See you on the next one.